Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIBS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of National Indian English Professional School, Morship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take English language class for the student of class 1 students. And our today's topic lesson 16, exercise 1-2. So my dear students, look at the board. This is term N1, class 1, subject English language. Topic lesson 16, discussion and exercise 1-2, and your lecture number 11, and this is your teacher name Sonia Joya, and this is your teacher's mobile number, and this is today's date. So my dear students, let's start out today's topic. Okay, this is lesson 16, questions. Read these questions and answer. So this lesson name is questions. Now read these questions and answers. Number 1. How do you go to school? Answer: I go to school by bus. And number 2. What is your name? Answer: my name is Payal. Number 3. When does the bell ring? Answer: the bell rings at 4 o'clock. So here are 3 questions and 3 answers. How we ask questions when we want to know something. Okay, so we ask question when we want to know something. We use words like how, who, where, what, when, and why to ask any question. To ask any question, then we use how, who, where, what, when, and why. This is this term. And second one, a question always ends with question mark, and a question always ends with a question mark. This question mark, this one. Now in this sentence, how do you go to school? So and start with this word how and ends with this question mark. So this is question. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. And number 2, what is your name? So start with what and ends with question mark. What is your name? My name is Payal. And number 3, when does the bell ring? So start when and ends with this question mark. So this is question and answer. The bell rings at 4 o'clock. Again I am saying, we ask questions when we want to know about something. We use words like how, who, where, what, when, and why to ask any questions. And a question always ends with a question mark. So it is very important. A question always ends with a question mark. So this is our today's lesson. Now we will start to do exercise number 1. Tick the questions and cross the statement. Tick the questions and cross the statement. So number 1, the farmer planted the seeds. Okay, the farmer planted the seeds. So this is a statement. So we put here question. So we put here cross mark. So this is a statement or answer. So we put here cross mark. Then number 2, where is the ice cream shop? So this is a question. So we put here tick mark because it starts with where and ends with question mark. So this is question. So we put here tick mark. Then number 3, when does she come home? When does she come home? So it starts with when and ends with question mark. So this is a question. So we put here tick mark. When does she come home? When does she come home? When does she come home? This is a question. So we tick here. Then number 4, she comes home in the evening. She comes home in the evening. So this is a statement. So we put here cross mark. We put here cross mark. Then number 5, who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? So this sentence starts with who and ends with question mark. So this is question. So we put here tick mark. So we put here tick mark. So again I am saying this farmer planted the seeds. So this is statement and we put here cross mark. Then number 2, where is the ice cream shop? This is question, so we put here tick mark. Then number 3, when does she come home? This is question, so we put here tick mark. Then number 4, she comes home in the evening. So this is statement, so we put here cross mark. Okay, this is statement, so we put here cross mark. And number 5, who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? This is question, so we put here tick mark. So this is our exercise 1. Now exercise number 2. Match the questions with the answers. Match the question with the answer. In the left side there are 5 questions and in the right side there are 5 answers. So you have to match question with the answers. So number 1, how many legs does a table have? How many legs does the table have? So answer is that it has 4 legs. So 1, how many legs does the table have? So answer is it has 4 legs. Then number 2, where is mother? Where is mother? So mother is in the garden. So mother is in the garden. Where is mother? Mother is in the garden. Then number 3, what does Sandra play? What does Sandra play? What does Sandra play? She is playing football. She is playing football. What does Sandra play? She is playing football. Then number 4, who bails the cat? Who bails the cat? So 4 is B. The mouse bails the cat. The mouse bails the cat. Who bails the cat? The mouse bails the cat. Then number 5. When does the party begin? When does the party begin? Yes. What is the answer? Answer is here. It begins at 7 o'clock. So this is here. When does the party begin? It begins at 7 o'clock. Again I am saying, how many legs does a table have? So answer is here. It has 4 legs. Where is mother? So answer is here. She is in the garden. Number 3, what is Sandra playing? Our answer is here. She is playing football. Then number 4, who bails the cat? So our answer is here. The mouse bails the cat. Then number 5, when does the party begin? So our answer is here. It begins at 7 o'clock. So my dear students, this is our today's topic, exercise 1 and exercise 2. So my dear students, I hope all of you students have understood this topic. So, see you again inshallah.